So right now I'm chatting with Chef Jagger. We're just about to do another night here with feeditforward.ca and City Outreach. We're gonna feed the homeless here, Nathan Phillips Square, every Monday, every Thursday. But Chef Jagger has some wonderful news for us about something called Soup Bar.
Right, so the greatest thing that we're offering to the community and giving back is there's a lot of food that's destined to the landfills. So what I've reached out to big corporations and indicated to them that I can utilize these products and make nutritionally balanced meals with it. So I've acquired a shipping container that I converted into a kitchen, and it's now going to be placed at Dundas and Bathurst Square, or excuse me, Dundas and Bathurst Streets. And from there, I'm going to be open 6 days a week, allowing subsidized meals out the door and a paid-for program where people can receive free food. It's a beautiful concept, and hopefully it works. I'm sure, why would it not work, right? Great food, free food, and community. And yeah, with my volunteers at feeditforward.ca, we're just going to make things happen. So I look forward to you guys coming out. Also, please go to www.feeditforward.ca and check out all the new stuff that we're up to. Every day and every week is something happening. So we can use you as volunteers or donate what you can. We're looking for clothing, toys, toiletries, school supplies, and of course, monetizing and making the wheels turn. We're always looking for cash donations. Please press donate and donate what you can. Thanks a lot.
Chef Jagger, it always amazes me the work that you do for the community, and now this is such exciting news, taking it to another level. And so we're going to keep following Chef Jagger to tune in about Soup Bar. But in the meantime, every Monday, every Thursday, we're here with City Street Outreach and feeditforward.ca, as Chef Jagger was saying. And if you want to bring something down to help feed folks who are just, you know, could use the help, then come on down.
Hey, come on down to Nathan Phillips Square at 6 p.m. on the east side. Looking forward to seeing you.